welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to be learning all the basic things associated with the periodic table. First of all, there are two very basic things which everyone must be knowing. There are 18 groups in a periodic table. So what are groups? Vertical columns are called groups. Now, just look at the blue colored pen. Towards the left side of the periodic table, you can see the word group number. Below that, there are 1, 2. Similarly, when you move towards the right slowly, you can see numbers till 18, which I have underlined with a blue pen. Now, these are the 18 groups. What are groups? Vertical columns are called groups. Now, group 12, just look at group number 12, which I have highlighted using a blue color highlighter. You can see the vertical column, that straight line, all the elements in the straight line belong to group 12. So like this, you can define for each group. Okay. So one more thing, what are periods? There are 7 periods in the periodic table. We know that. Towards the left, you can see a word period number. There are 7. So horizontal rows are called periods. So you can see the 4th period, potassium, calcium. Okay, I'll tell you with the numbers. 19, 20. I have highlighted in the yellow color, right? So that is the 4th period. Vertical columns are called groups. There are 18 groups in the periodic table. And horizontal rows are called periods. There are 7 periods in the periodic table. With that being said, let me tell you what is S block, what is P block, what is D block, and what is F block. So you can see this word representative elements. Group number 1 and 2, that is the things which I highlight in red. These two are called as representative elements or S block elements. Now I'll highlight something in pink color and I'll tell you what it is. So group number 13 to group number 18 is P block elements. So these things belong to P block. Okay. I hope you're clear with what P block elements are. Group number 13 to 18, all the elements belong to P block. Group number 1 and 2 belong to S block. D block or transition elements, what are they? Group number 3 to 12, all these are D block or transition elements. So what are S block elements? Group number 1 and 2. All the elements present in group number 1 and 2 are called S block elements. All the elements present in group 13 to 18 are called as P block elements. This is S, this is P, then this is D block elements or the transition elements. Below the D block elements, you can see F block or inner transition elements. So these are the very basic things you must know about the periodic table in the beginning. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want more such videos. Thank you.